Okay, so I don't know why I'm out here. I just wanted to come out here to see these humans and oh, is that my favorite toy? Yes it is. Give it to me. No, give it to me. Give it to me. You have to give it to me. There's two of them. Give me, I want to eat it. Give me the bread, not the bread. Why am I always thinking about bread? Give me the grass. It's my favorite toy to play with outside. Because then I'll have another toy. I'm very lazy to bring my other toy. Actually, I forgot where it was. Ah! It's touching me! Give it. Now, human, you better give it to me. Human. That's it, yes. Give it to me. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna lick my arm now. Wait, did it move? Oh my gosh, it's moving. Oh wait, the human's moving now. Alright, so I don't know what the humans want me to do with this. I think they're tempting me to try to eat it or something. I don't know. I can't find it. Oh, here it is. Found it. Trying to bite it. Give it. Now. Give it to me. Human, give it to me. It's no fair. You're a human, I'm just a little cat. It's no fair. Oh, now there's two of them. Great, I have to catch both of them. So, wait, flowers? Are these flowers? I think that's what humans call them. I just call them weird little plants that smell good. Why are you giving me weird little plants that smell good? They're really weird. And now that you have a stick full of them. I'd rather have grass, or bread, or food. Okay, you're getting weird now. You're just trying to make me catch it. So I don't know what you want me to do. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm way too tired. But maybe I can play for a little while more. I don't know. Oh, almost got it. Oh wait, what happened? Something's killing me. Wait, what was that? Something flew over me. It's more leaves. Someone's throwing me leaves at me. Who's throwing these leaves? Oh wait, it's the humans. I don't know what you want me to do with leaves. I only want the long piece of grass. It's my favorite. Gimme. Are you trying to make me turn over? Because if you are, then that's not going to work that much. Alright, this is getting a wee bit boring now. Oh! You made me turn over! How mean of you. How rude of you, actually. I think that's how you say it. I'm not that good in school or anything. I don't go to school, I just stay home. Alright, where's the other piece of grass? You should give me the, oh thank you. I have two pieces of grass now. Oh, there's a car starting in the distance, I don't know where. I don't care to look though. I'm a little bit tired, but I still want to play. Can I still play with it? Please. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for my newest videos every single time. Because these humans are filming me. Filming me? What? Filming me. Okay, so I think that's it for today. I did post a video in the morning. And it's about to be 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes now. Okay, bye. I'm just gonna wash myself up now. I'm dirty. Bye.